Alright guys, so today's video we'll be talking about the Oraimo Watch 4 Plus, and this is the latest smartwatch from Oraimo Smart Accessories that promises a lot of fantastic features. So let's check it out today. Now, I know you must have seen this advert on your social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram with these three straps. You might be thinking maybe it's going to come with straps in the box. Well, we are going to find out now, and also let's see how the interface and everything looks like. Is there anything new in this guy? Stick around to find out. Now let's start with the price of this Oraimo Watch 4 Plus. On Oraimo eShop website, you can get this Oraimo Watch 4 Plus for 25,600 naira. But if you want to get it cheaper, you can use the discount code bracket, and this is going to give you 5% discount instantly. You can also use the word bracket to get anything from Oraimo eShop website, be it in Ghana, Kenya, Morocco, and Nigeria. Thank you for using the discount code, and let's continue with the rest of the video. Now, at the front of the pack, you are going to see quick reply SMS, IP68 dust and water resistant, 100 sport modes, which I think should have been 120 because most of their smartwatch now comes with 120 sport mode. But let's continue. And it says up to 7 days using. I think this should be completed. Oraimo, please take note of this. You should just complete it or just remove this using. And it comes with 2.01 full touch HD screen. It also comes with 365 days warranty from Oraimo, so in case anything goes wrong, you can return it and you get another one with 24 hours health monitoring. And it comes with OSW 801 at the front. Now, by the side of it, you are going to see Oraimo Smart Accessories with the Oraimo social media platform QR codes. And by the right, you are seeing Oraimo Smart Accessory also with the model number and barcode number here, which comes in black strap. And at the top, nothing. And at the bottom, nothing. This time we miss keep exploring. And at the back of the pack, you are going to see the specifications and the brand ambassador, Bonner Boy. And you can also see some of the features of this smartwatch. With that being said, let's see what's inside the box. So we are greeted by the smartwatch itself. Let's remove this packing and let's check what we can find in the box before we come back to the smartwatch. Now we have here the magnetic cable for charging up your device, which is a 2-mount or 2-pin magnetic one. And the next thing you are going to find here is the user manual, and it's a little bit lengthy. You can go through it before you start using your smartwatch so you can get familiar with the features and some other stuff in it. And that is pretty much what you are going to find in the box. Now to the smartwatch, we can see this is the smartwatch itself. It comes with this small packing, and let's peel this off. And this is the 2.01 inches screen. Let's switch it on and let's see how it looks like. Looking at the screen, it comes with these bezels again. I think Oraimo should just work on the bezels this time around. Any smartwatch they are going to be giving us, they should make sure the bezels are very small or very close to the edges of the screen of the smartwatch. That would have been better, and that will give a very good look to the overall look of these smartwatches. Let's just see how it looks like. So you are having the QR code to scan, and at the back here you are going to see the sensor side. And this sensor side look a little bit different from the other ones I've seen in the time past. As you can see, it comes with this shiny back, which maybe there's an extra feature there. We are going to find out in the video. And the strap is 22 mm. So that is it. Let's see how the animation looks like when you are charging it. So this looks like Watch 2 Pro charging animation and Watch 3 Pro. So we'll come back to that. Let me quickly connect it up and let's explore this guy together. So I've just launched my Oraimo Health app, and I have to disconnect my Oraimo Watch ER, which is this. Okay, all right, let me switch on my location, my Bluetooth, and my Wi-Fi or data. So let's try pairing via the Bluetooth this time around. And from the Bluetooth, you can see it shows all the devices of Oraimo. You can actually come here to see them by yourself. We have the watches. This is Watch 2, Watch 2R, Watch 2 Lite, Watch 3 Lite, and we have the Watch 2 Pro, Watch 3 Pro, Watch 3 Plus, Watch 4 Plus, which I have here with me, Watch ES, Watch ES2, and Watch ER. Okay, so we are going to be selecting Watch 4 Plus here because that's what we want to connect. And here we can see found nearby device. Select that, and that should sync up with our new Oraimo Watch 4 Plus. It says bind or not on the watch. We are selecting bind, and it is binding successfully done on the watch and on the smartphone. Now it says you should pair and enable Bluetooth pairing request. So select pair, and that is it. So the first message just gets in now, and this is how it looks like when you have a message on it. Allow you to access contact, acknowledge, and that is it. So let's go to the Oraimo Watch, and you can see the watch faces here at the dial page. And in case you want to see how many buttons by the side, it's just one button which is flat, and by this side here it has a speaker grill, and at the back a nice looking sensor. So let's check the dials. Here at the dial center we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 dials. You can also explore other dials at the dial market, and you can install it if you want. As you can see, there are a lot of them here. Okay, so let's pick one here which is sport oriented or sport data, and we can just install one out of this many watch faces here. So I'm going to be picking this one and set it as main dial. So this is how it looks like when it is installing a watch face. So it is successfully synchronized, and this is the new watch face. So it's as easy as that. So if you want to create your dial, you can come here and customize it if you want to. And let's check out some other stuff there. It comes with Bluetooth call function and SMS messages, notifications, and WhatsApp, and every other stuff like that. Quick reply. You can also see some other sport health settings here if you want to set them, and that is pretty much it. It comes with music control too. If you want to control your music via the watch, it comes with Bluetooth disconnect reminder, so that if you go out of the range of this smart watch, it's going to remind you, and that is it. So on the smartwatch, let's just explore a little. So when you swipe right, you are going to see the step counter, which looks like the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro and Watch 3 Pro. Let me quickly grab that. So this is the Oraimo Watch 3 Pro here, and this is the Oraimo Watch 4 Plus. So when you swipe right, you are going to see that it comes with almost same interface. It's just that a little bit brighter on this Oraimo Watch 4 Plus. And let me increase it by going to the shortcut menu here and increase the brightness to the maximum. Okay. All right, so you can see that right now it's almost the same, and you can see the heart rate monitoring function. If you go this way, you are going to see the blood oxygen, almost the same thing here with the Oraimo Watch 3 Pro. This is sleep record, sleep data, and that is it. When you swipe left, music controller. When you swipe up, shortcut to the quick menu. And when you swipe down, you're going to see your messages there. Around these two guys are almost the same. The only thing you can notice there is the screen. This is 20 one that is 2.01 inches, and this is lesser than that. I will just drop that in on the screen for you to see. If you have any question about this smartwatch, you can drop it down in the comment section and I will reply you. As for now, that is all concerning the unboxing and first impression video. I noticed that this guy is close to the Oraimo Watch 3. Hopefully it's going to be better in terms of audio quality and some other stuffs, but it's just very, very close to this Oraimo Watch 3 Pro. With that being said, that will be all for this video. If you have any question, drop it down there. Subscribe to get more updates, and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.